Hi everybody, Jim here. I put together 3 easy piano pieces, meaning very beginner friendly. I even made the music a bit bigger for our aging eyes. I know I definitely need that. So anyway, go ahead and check them out. Maybe they'll help you. Let me know what you think and ask some questions. I'm just going to get into it and just play through them. I'm going to try to behave. New World Symphony is a little trickier than you think, especially if you're new to the pedal. And then there's the roadmap, the DC, and the notes are long. So a lot of learners think long notes mean slower. But I'm going to play the pulse fairly fast. Again, with YouTube, you can slow down the performances so you can learn at your rate. All right. So let me know what you think. Here we go. New World Symphony. And then we'll do camp down races and then little night music. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Definitely, you don't have to enjoy the music to play it that fast. You can definitely play it slower. I just wanted to get through it and have some fun. In fact, the last one, I played more in what we call a cut time feel. But don't feel that you need to do that in order to enjoy yourself and keep learning. Hope everyone's well. More pieces soon. I'm actually going to go through my archive. I have some jazz pieces that I've created a while ago. And I'm going to look for them and just go ahead and take a sneak peek and maybe record them. I hope everyone's well, and that's about it. Take care. Bye-bye.